Hi there. Hey, it's Catherine Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today we're going to learn to make basic hummus, okay? Everybody loves it, but nobody wants to make it. Let me show you how easy this is. We add 2 cans of 15-ounce garbanzo beans. We just want to make sure that they're BPA free. That means they're bisphenol A, so they're inside of the cans are not lined with BPA and they're not carcinogenic. Easy peasy. You can make your own beans, but it's just another step. 2 cloves of garlic, you can put those in whole. Half a cup of lemon juice. Some tahini. Tahini is sesame paste. You throw that in, and I recommend that you use organic sesame paste. Sesame paste, organic. Tahini. And then you can put in just some salt, about a teaspoon of salt, and then let's throw in, just for fun, for grins and giggles, a little red pepper flakes. But be careful with these, they're hot, but I like to spice things up a little bit. I'm a big believer that if you flavor your food, your life gets more flavored. As long as you sit and eat mindfully, you chew your food, you start tasting food, and food tastes so good that you make your life better. And that's what I help beautiful women and some adventurous men do in my program. So if you like these recipes, pop on over to my website and join one of my programs if you're not already in it, because these are all part of my programs. So let's stir this up. And by the way, if you don't have a food processor, you can mash it. It just takes a while. I highly recommend a good food processor. Let's blend. And that's it. It's all done. Simple, easy. I'm just going to taste it. Oh, wowza. That is delicious. I'm Catherine Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And I'm here to help you rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love your life. Thank you.